times. How long was the planning process po? And sa process na yun, ano yung pinaka critical? Is it the story or writing the songs, picking the characters?
So, yung length of the process, we watched the Cenaculo last 2024. Then, I wrote the script for 21 days. Hindi sa nagayabang ako, pero ang point ko lang doon is parang it really flows naturally dahil siguro sa research na rin, and I guess by grace, I won't be able to write a full book of a musical na almost trying to be sung through kasi non-stopping music in 21 days. And then doon na nag-start to talk to Pauline and Yanni to help me craft the music because I'm not a musician. And then yun, doon siya nag-start. Nag-auditions kami September? November? November 16, 17. Yeah. So at that time, meron na kami a few songs for the auditions. So we had the cast, we had the auditionees, aside from doing their own monologues and songs, really study the parts of the song during the audition and just to see how quick they can pick up the notes. Yeah. And then now we're here. So ganun yung proseso so far.
And then what did the audience expect to be sa stage production, costumes, ano yung pwede nilang ma-anticipate?
So si Charjo. By the way, our scenic and costume designer is somewhere there, Charjo. The direction that we want to approach this is that obviously we're not Romans and Jews. Yan si Charjo. Teka lang. Our scenic and costume designer helping us to create the brand. So the general direction in mounting this play is that we want to approximate the experience of reading a history book. When you read a history book, the visuals that are coming in your brain are of that period. No? But when you read it, and when you read it with your inner voice in your head, it's in the modern and contemporary voice. So gusto namin na ganun siya. Even how they talk, how they sing, very contemporary. But we will try to approximate the essence of how they look and the characters, how they must have looked at that time.
And then siguro what lessons can the audience get from this story? Exactly.
Sige, baka can I pass the mic? Yes, baka may mga contribute lessons daw from the play.
Yes. Hello po. Good afternoon. Again, thank you for coming. Thank you for helping us with this production. I play Jose po. Jose po is the only fictitious character in this play. And apparently, I am the so-called CCTV and dashcam of the play. Ako yung marites ng Roma. So I got to, I actually am, my character is the combination of the different historiographers that existed trying to write down the history of Rome and what Pontius Pilato did at that time. Lessons, first of all, oh my gosh, kung ano yung problema dati, problema pa rin ngayon. Ano yung challenges dati? We as human beings, parang we don't learn. We don't. I guess because it's inherent in us. You know, we have an intrinsic desire to self-destruct. We have an intrinsic desire to love, to be jealous, to matter precisely. So that's why it's very relevant. Share ko lang din since yung personal goal, personal journey for this, I auditioned, nabudol ako ng poster. Kakaganda naman ito. And you know what, like Noel, I've been in theater for since 2001, and never have I ever joined a Cenaculo. And the reason why I joined is because at least makakagawa na akong Cenaculo. Eh nabudol ako, hindi pala siya Cenaculo. Mas maganda pa. Dahil, kasi hindi lang siya, again, it was said earlier na hindi siya Cenaculo. It's really a retelling of a story of a man who of Pontius Pilato, no? And ang maganda rin dito, inside ko din, no? Because Jerome, I've worked with Jerome several times, we've been together in Guadalupe, pero hindi siya kilala gaano. And pag yun ang maganda, sino nga ba si Jerome Ferguson? Sino nga ba si Pontius? Di ba? It's so perfect. That's why I'm very happy. So ngayon, ano naman, ayun, so very relevant yung story niya kasi kahit ngayon, lalo na mag-election, oh my God. Once you see this, it's very spiritual, and at the same time, it's gonna question you you're gonna question yourself. Ano nga ba? How will I matter at this time of my life? Thank you.
Do you want to add?